YouTube series of your LRB subject in the English medium language. So first of all, happy Bhai Dooj to all of you. So on the occasion of the Bhai Dooj from the Adda 24/7, it is the biggest price drop in the history of Adda 24/7 that you will get 81% discount if you purchase any batch of Officer Adda. And right now, the only thing that you require is to purchase the 3000 MCQ series batch, in which we are just solving the questions of half marks, 1 marks and 2 marks question. And if you want to purchase separately the case studies question, okay, so you can purchase it separately right now. Okay, so you have to use the code for that one, that is Y391, for the maximum discount up to 81%. So if you are new in this session, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. And you can see that here that this particular batch is the case study batch, and as you know that in each subject, okay, in each subject 15 question will come, that is of 2 marks. So 15 into 3, that is the 30. Okay, so 30 plus 30 plus 30 is equal to 90 marks you can easily get if if you are expert in solving the 2 marks question. So that's why this case studies question is very important. And this is the 3000 MCQ, in which you can get the half marks question, 1 marks question and 2 marks question. So now it's on you that whether you want to purchase this or you want to purchase this one. Okay, now let's start with the question and answer series. Okay, now important questions for the LRB. Number one question, that the government of India can give direction to the RBI. Okay, government of India can give direction to the RBI. So which of the following statement is not correct? Under section 7 clause 1 of Reserve Bank of India Act, under section 22 of the Banking Regulation Act, C is after consultation with the governor RBI, and the direction should be in the public interest. So what will be the exact answer of this? Not correct. This is a very important question. You have to just apply your common sense. That is very important. And guys, do not lose any opportunity. It is a time in which you have to solve as many questions as possible. So the government of India give the direction to RBI. So which of the following is not correct? So just read out the first one. Under section 7 clause of the Reserve Bank of India, right? Under section 22 of the Banking Regulation Act, section 22 is, that is simply a license. Okay, and government of India can give direction after the consultation of government of RBI. Exactly. The direction should be in the public interest. Exactly. So for the first one, the right answer is B. B is not the correct one. So this is not the correct one, and all the other statements are correct. So that's why B will be the right answer. So in that way, you have to solve this one. Okay, next question. Which of the following powers are not available with the central bank as per provision of the Banking Regulation Act? Which of the power is not available with the central bank? The number one is issue of license for formation of bank under section 22, approval to banks for the formation of subsidiary for certain business under section 19, power to acquire undertaking of bank, and suspension of the business and amalgamation of bank under section 45. So which of the following is the right one? The hint I have already given you in the first question, so please do not give me the wrong answer. Do not give me the wrong answer. Which of the following power is not available with the central bank as per the provision of the Banking Regulation Act 1949? So for the second one, the exact answer is second one. A is the right answer. Issue of license for formation of bank. This is not the exact, because section 22, that's not covered under the C. The question is which of the following are not available with the central bank. So issue of license, that is absolutely right, because that power is only in the hand of Reserve Bank of India. So that's why A is the right answer. Okay, now next one. Which of the following statement is not correct? First, public sector bank is established under a special statute. Banking companies are registered under the Banking Regulation Act. Cooperative bank are registered under the State Cooperative Society, and none of the above. Third one. Which of the following statement is not correct? Public sector bank, public company are registered under the Banking Regulation Act. Cooperative bank are registered under the State Cooperative Society Act, and none of the above. Third one. So here the correct statement is not correct. The public sector bank established under the special statute, that is absolutely right. Banking companies are registered under the banking regulation or registered with the Companies Act. So this is not the not correct one. Not correct one. Okay. So not correct one, and in the question also it was asked not correct one. So that's why just this one. Read the all this one option. Cooperative bank are registered under the State Cooperative Society. Exactly, none of the above. So the right answer is B is the right answer. The banking companies are registered under the Companies Act 2013. So this is the right answer. Okay, next one. The Banking Regulation Act was passed for what? Creating the various bank in India, creating the Reserve Bank, regulating the banking companies, regulating the acceptance of deposit from the public. Which of the following is the right one? The Banking Regulation Act was passed for what? This is very important. Very important. The Banking Regulation Act was passed for basically regulating the banking companies. So C is the right answer for this question. Regulating the banking companies. Many students were so much confused that, ma'am, what is the basic difference between the banking regulation and the Reserve Bank of India Act? So the Reserve Bank of India is basically about the Reserve Bank, that what are the power, functions, duties of the Reserve Bank, its composition, its a qualification. But the banking regulations, what are the rules to regulate all the banks? So that's why for the fourth one, C is the right answer. Okay. Which of the following statement is not matched correctly? Central government can give direction to RBI. That is a correct statement. Central government is primarily regulator of the bank. That is false. If license of a bank is cancelled, the appeal lies with the central government. That is true. And state government have also control over the cooperative bank. This is false. Which of the statement is the not match? Which of the following statement is not matched correctly? The central government can give direction to RBI. That is correct one. Central government is primary regulator of the bank. That is false. If license of a bank is cancelled, the appeal lies with the central government. Appeal. And the state government have also power over the cooperative bank. So guys, for the fifth one, you can see that the state government have control over the cooperative. This is false. This is not matched. So this is not matched because this is the correct statement. The state government have the control over cooperative bank. Exactly, because as we know that the cooperative bank is established in the state. So that's why the state government have the the power. So that's why this is the true statement. So we have to find out the not correctly matched. So D is the right answer. And who is the primary regulator of the bank? That is RBI. Okay. This is false. Exactly. If license of a bank is cancelled, appeal is this. Absolutely right. The central government can give direction to RBI. This is correct. So that's why D is the right answer. Okay. Next. The company related issue of the banking companies are regulated by which of the following? The company related issues of banking company is regulated by authorities under Company Act, Reserve Bank of India, Central Government and the SEBI. Sixth one. The company related issues of the banking companies are regulated which of the following? Authorities under Company Act, Reserve Bank of India, Central Government and Security and Exchange Board of India. Which of the following is the correct one? For the sixth one, the exact answer is that is the Companies Act. Because the banking company is there, so whatever the dispute that will come, it will be handled by the authorities under the Company Act. So A will be the right answer. Okay, next. Banks are undertaking trading in shares and securities. This activity is regulated by trading in shares. Authorities under Company Act, Reserve Bank of India, Central Government and Security and Exchange Board of India. Which of the following is the right one? You can say the regulator of the share market. Who is the regulator of the share market? The regulator of the share market is one and only one, that is SEBI. Okay, SEBI is the exact answer for the seventh one. Next. Central government can give direction to RBI only after consulting with the Governor of RBI, Central Board of RBI, Finance Commission and President of India. The central government can give direction to RBI only after consulting what? Governor, Central Board of RBI, Finance Commission and President of India. Eighth one. So here, after consulting with the Governor of RBI is the right answer. So for the 8th one, A is the right answer. Okay, next. Which of the following is the correct statement? Correct statement. Number A, for all types of action, the firm is liable for the action of partner. For the action of a company, the shareholders are liable personally. For the action of shareholder, the company is liable. For the action of partner in normal course of business done for a firm, the firm is liable. So which is the exact statement? In the last line, that is the firm is liable. So which of the following is the correct one? As we know that if we talk about the partnership, so the partnership form exists with the partners. If the partners are there, partnership form is there. If the partners are not there, then there's a no existence of the partners, right? No existence of the partnership form. But for the company, as we know that the company have a separate legal existence. Okay, company have a separate legal existence. So tell me the exact answer of this one. For the ninth one, the exact answer is correct statement that for the action of a partner in a normal course of business done for a firm, the firm is liable. So that's why for the ninth one, D is the right answer. Okay, D is the right answer here. Done. Next. Today we will solve the 15 question. Okay. It is mandatory that each company should suffix the word limited, but in case of dash companies, the word limited can be dispensed Companies incorporated under the Special Act of Parliament. Section 25 of the Companies Act. Companies promoted by the government, and Section 23. You have to remember the section. The sections are not so much important, but you have to remember something something. So it is mandatory for each company should suffix the word limited. But in case dash, in case of which section, in case of which section the company, the word limited can be dispensed. Sections are not so much important. Okay, so for the 10th one, the exact answer is D is the right answer. Section 23, you have to remember this one. Next, if the word limited are not to be included in the name of the company, this can be done by obtaining from permission, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, license from the SEBI, license from the regional director, and no such permission and license is required. 11th one. The word limited are not included in the name of the company. This can be done after obtaining the permission from C. The word limited is not included in the name of the company. This can be done obtaining the, I think for that one, if it is not included, so no permission is required and license is required. So for the 11th one, D is the right answer. Which of the following is the correct regarding the name of a company? Name should not be prohibited under the emblems and name. Name should not be identical and too nearly resembling the name of existing company. And the name should not be misleading or is not intended, and all of the above is the correct statement. 12th one. 11th, 12th one. So for the 12th one, the exact answer is the name should not be misleading and is not intended. D is the right answer. No, for the 12th one, correct regarding name of the company. This is the right. Name should not be prohibited under this one exactly. Name should not be identical. Name should not be misleading. So all of the above is the right answer. For the 12th one, D is the right answer. For the 12th one, D is the right answer. Okay, next. Which of the following document is conclusive evidence that a company has existence? Memorandum of Association, Certificate of Incorporation, Article of Association, and Certificate of Commencement of Business. 14th one. Yes. Which of the following document is conclusive? Conclusive means no more evidence is required that the company has come into existence. For the 14th one, the exact answer is, that is the 14th, Certificate of Incorporation is the right answer. So for the 14th one, B is the right answer. What is MOA? That's contain the 6 clauses, and AOA, that's contain the rules and regulations of the company, internal rules and regulations of the company. Next. A public company has constituted with 7 shareholders, out of which 5 were minor. Question is very good. On the behalf of minor, the Memorandum of Association was signed by the guardian of the minor. So you have to tell me the validity of the issue of certificate of incorporation is questionable. The validity of issue of COI is partially questionable, cannot be impeached, and can be impeached. Impeached means removal. It was signed by the guardian of the minor. So if the guardian of the minor is there, so I don't think that it is a wrong one. So if the guardian is the available, so that's why the validity of issue of certificate cannot be impeached. Impeach means removal. Okay, so these questions are class from the this one. These questions are from the module A. So module A is not as much important just like a C and D. So that's why focus on whatever the question I'm highlighting here in the from the module A. So this is very important. So class, as you can see that today is Baidush, 80% discount is there. So you can use the code Y391 for the maximum discount. And you can see this is the batch which contain the case studies question, that is 2 marks question. If you want to enroll, you can enroll. My batch is going to be start from 2nd of November. And this batch is going to be already started, in which the half marks, 1 marks and 2 marks question is coming. So if you want to get enrolled, you have to use the code that is Y391 for the maximum discount. So if you want to purchase, the process is very simple. Okay, so click on this Adda 24/7 all courses. This is JIB CIB, and this is the English medium. So if you click on English medium class, you can see the case study batch, 3000 MCQ batch. Okay, and this is the power pack revision batch. This is the power pack revision batch. So if you want to enroll in this, you can see here the power pack of this one. Okay, see, for LRAB the timing is 11 November to this. The timing will be 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. It's a power pack. It means a quick revision. Okay, so if you want to purchase, this is the batch power pack from 11 November to 17 November. In the 6th class, the whole syllabus will be complete in a very quick way. Okay, and for PPB, you can see from 31st October to 10 November. This is the power pack of revision batch. Okay, so if you want to get enrolled, use the code Y391. If you click on view offer, then put the coupon code Y391. Click on apply. You can see 80%. So the price is only 799 is the price of this power pack of this. So if you want to enroll, you can enroll. And for AFB, you can see the batch is from 7 to 10. Only in 4 class your AFB will be complete. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.